Here's your spoken voiceover script review. Get ready to unleash the power of artificial intelligence in the palm of your hand. Introducing the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI, the revolutionary personal supercomputer that's about to change the game for developers, researchers, and data scientists everywhere. This beast of a machine packs an incredible punch, making it one of the most impressive AI solutions I've ever had the pleasure of reviewing, with a jaw-dropping 4.1 out of 5-star rating. So what makes this thing tick? First off, let's talk about its brainpower. Powered by NVIDIA's groundbreaking GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip, delivering an astonishing 1 petaFLOP of AI performance and 128 gigabytes of memory for fine-tuning its 200 billion model parameters. To put that in plain English, this machine is capable of performing calculations at a rate of over 1,000,000 trillion operations per second. That's like doing about 2,000 billion calculations every single second. That's mind-boggling. But what does it mean to you and me? Simply put, the GX10's AI performance means it can learn, adapt, and make decisions on its own at an unprecedented speed. It's like having a super smart personal assistant that can help us analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and even make predictions, all without needing human intervention. Next up, let's talk about the platform. The GX10 is designed specifically for AI developers building secure, long-running agentic workflows. That means it's built to handle complex tasks like natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning, all in a sandboxed environment that keeps our sensitive data safe and private. This feature matters because it gives developers peace of mind knowing their work is protected from prying eyes and malicious attacks. Now, you might be wondering how this thing stays cool under pressure. Thanks to its advanced thermal design, the GX10 can operate at sustained high performance without overheating or losing its mojo. That's especially important when working with massive AI models that require a lot of computational power. It means developers can push their machines harder, faster, and longer than ever before. But what really sets the GX10 apart is its scalable architecture. Featuring NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication and NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking to support dual GX10 system stacking. That might sound like techno-jargon, but in plain English, it means this machine can handle massive amounts of data with ease, making it perfect for big data applications, real-time analytics, and more. Last but not least, let's talk about the full-stack AI solution. Featuring NVIDIA's GB10 Superchip and their AI software stack. That means developers get a complete ecosystem for building, deploying, and maintaining their AI models, from data preparation to model training and inference. It's like having a single platform that covers everything you need to turn your ideas into reality. In short, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to tap into the power of artificial intelligence. With its incredible performance, secure platform, and scalable architecture, this machine is poised to revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, and education, not to mention making breakthroughs in research and development. So what are you waiting for? Want to unleash your inner AI superhero and join the ranks of the most advanced developers out there? Check out the link below for the best price on this incredible machine. Trust me, it's worth every penny.